So this is a whiteboard, right? And as simple as it seems, this has increased my productivity so much. And honestly, a lot of people don't know how to use them or don't even think about using them because it's not some, like, whenever you think of a whiteboard, you just think of like education and your boring ass teacher just like, oh yeah, no, like, bro, I organized my Januaries, you know what I'm saying? And I had went to London, so my schedule is a little bit more open, obviously. You know, what I need to do, what I need to buy. I'm going to Paris Fashion Week. I don't know if I'm still going, but I was supposed to be going. You know, I had things I need to buy. You know, I have my January achievements, and I'll be updating this, today after I post this video. But I'm making it, and this video has found you because you need to stop procrastinating, and you need to get a whiteboard. It'll increase your productivity, man. And if you don't know how to use one, or if you can't afford one, I will purchase one for my next 100 subscribers. So out of my next 100 subs, just comment whiteboard below and I'll purchase you one and show you how to use it and show you why you need to use it. If it's, you've been struggling with procrastination and productivity and, organization and things of that nature, I'll show you how I use mine. And I'll show you like how like writing the correct things down, can help you with just goal oriented things, progression, building your momentum, etc. Man, like it doesn't have to be difficult, especially when you have people around you, but it doesn't have to be difficult. You just got to get you a whiteboard. Honestly, like I'm about to get into, the second half of my January. I might be going to Australia. I need to drop that down. I got a couple video shoots that I need to have. Even little things like just cutting my hair and I got jewelry coming, that I'm getting made. Just writing that down, like what I'm supposed to do when that comes, clothes I need to buy for shoots, my bills, writing down my budget, like what am I spending a month? Like sometimes seeing is believing. Excuse me. Sometimes seeing is believing, and you just need to like see what it is that you're actually doing in order to go in to have a direction. And I woke up fresh off the wake up, bro. I've been wanting to make a video since I woke up at like 5 a.m. and I've been wanting to make a video. Probably gonna make a couple today because there's so much things on my mind and so much things I want to share with just how I'll be doing things, I'll be progressing. But yeah, man, just back to procrastination, like, and I'm gonna sit down a little bit and just talk to y'all straight up for this part. Procrastination sucks, man, and if you don't know how to organize your thoughts, or if you let little things get in your way, or if you feel like you don't have enough money, or if you feel like, you're just in between your financial blessings, I get it. Procrastination does suck. Like, it's little things can distract you, but you gotta be disciplined. You gotta kind of break your mind down from where you're at and head in another direction by building it up with new habits. And when it comes to procrastination, sometimes it's that feeling of like, oh yeah, like I want to do it, but I'll do it later. Or I know I need to do it, but I'm gonna do this instead right quick. I'll get to it later. And then you like keep putting things on. It's like exactly what the word means. You just keep putting things out, keep putting things off. And then you look up, it's 2 days, 4 days, 5 days, a week, 2 weeks later. And that one little thing that you said that you were gonna do, you didn't do. But when you got a whiteboard, you get to see it daily, and it will annoy you that it hasn't been done yet. And like I said, man, like I am a small creator. I'm growing my channel, and if I can help you and we can help each other, that's what it's about. So one out of my maybe even two, out of my next 100 subscribers, just comment below whiteboard and I'll buy you a whiteboard. Just I want to see what you're gonna do with it. Like I want to see if it's gonna change your life. I want to see if you're gonna change yourself. And like I said, I'll show you how to do it. Like I'm here to serve, so I'll show you.